Hi guys, so if your hair color is like brown or black, it's a hassle to keep it blonde anytime, especially during quarantine. So I'm going to give you 6 pro tips of how to get through this time. Tip number 1, change your parting. So, change your parting. If you part your hair in a new way, it could hide your dark roots. You could even try getting creative with a messing parting that looks maybe like a zigzag or something just a little bit different. Just make sure you stand in front of the mirror and play with your parting until you figure out which style kind of hides those roots the most. Tip number 2, add volume. Adding volume to your hair will hide your roots. Using volumizing shampoo or dry shampoo will also help give you volume. It also helps to avoid using heat on your hair and to blast dry off instead of using straighteners. If you do these things, you'll be on a fast track to adding volume to your hair and hiding those roots. Number 3, choose the right hairstyle. You can hide roots with certain hairstyles. If you have long bangs or a fringe, you can pin them over the top of your head to hide the roots. You can also use braiding. This is a great way to hide the roots. 4, buy a root concealer. This is a temporary fix for dark roots. All you have to do is buy a root concealer, apply it on the root area and let the product work its magic. It just takes a few minutes. Also, if you have very bright ends, you can use a toning shampoo, which will tone the ends, making the roots less obvious. All this will wash out, so it won't cause any damage. Number 5, wear a cute hat or a headband. If you have a cute hat you're willing to wear, of course it will cover up those roots. You can also wear a headband or a scarf around your head. No one will have a clue you're trying to hide part of your hair because they're so cute. Number 6, rock that trend. There are tons of celebrities that go to major events and get their picture taken while their roots are showing. It's actually becoming a little bit of a trend. So you can rock the trend just like the celebs do. Don't be embarrassed about those roots. But as you can see, it's quite easy to camouflage them, so I hope you got a little bit of help. So guys, this is my 6 pro tips on how to disguise those roots. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.